Over the last 12 months, I have done multiple videos on Silencio project. Silencio is a phone application that measures noise levels of your surroundings. And for doing so, we were getting rewarded in testnet Silencio tokens. But recently, Silencio had a successful mainnet launch and the token is now live. So in this time-sensitive video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your Silencio tokens that you've been accumulating for the past 12 months and how you can actually withdraw it to either KuCoin or MexC platform and exchange it into fiat currency. And yes, it is time-sensitive because we literally have less than 72 hours to claim our airdrop. If we do not claim this airdrop, these tokens will absolutely disappear and all that effort that we put in for the past 12 months will go down into dust. So let's go ahead and open our Silencio app and I'll walk you through a step-by-step how you can actually claim your official airdrop. When we first log into Silencio application and we scroll down a little bit, this screen is actually going to show you what we should expect as our airdrop share. Now, if we scroll down a little bit further, we can see that I have only 3 days left to claim this airdrop. If we do not claim this within the next 72 hours, all of these coins that I have accumulated will actually disappear and we will basically get nothing for putting all the effort for measuring noise pollution of our surroundings. If I click on my wallet that is on the upper right hand corner, I can see that I have 0 Silencio tokens that are available, that are invested, that are staked. Everything is 0. But down here it is showing us that the beta airdrop is eligible for 533,000 tokens. If we click in the in-app tokens or in-app coins, we can see here that I'm showing 121,722 in-app coins. These coins are going to be relevant because if we scroll down here, all of these coins are going to be converted into a raffle tickets where we're basically going to be distributed more CLS tokens based on the raffle tickets that we have. Now, the main thing, let's go ahead and claim our rewards. We're simply going to come up here and click on claim your rewards. We're going to be presented with a disclosure. Obviously read all of this, and if you agree, you're going to come down here, select your country of residency. Once you input this information, you're simply going to click on confirm. We're presented with this screen where it says swipe to claim. Down here at the bottom, we have to accept the terms and conditions. So I'm simply going to check that box and go ahead and slide to the right. Congratulations, you claimed a total of 533,957 SLC tokens. You will receive 50% immediately and the remaining 50% will be vested linearly over the next 6 months. You're only able to withdraw 50% immediately. This is nothing new in the crypto space, especially with the projects that are just launched. They do not want all the people to start selling all at once, and that will drive down the price. They were going to be vesting all of these tokens over the next 6 months, which is going to put a less selling pressure on the token. Now we're simply going to go ahead and click I understand. This is if you want to stake your SLC tokens and basically increase your position in the future. I'm simply not going to be staking right now just for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to click on continue without staking. We can see here that I have claimed our tokens, and now if we scroll to the top, click on the wallet, available balance is 266,978 tokens. This is that 50% that I got immediately, and the other 266,000 is going to be vested over the next 6 months. You might be wondering how much this airdrop is going to be worth for me with accumulating 533,000 tokens. I'm going to show you that right now. Looking at the coin market cap, the price of Silencio is very low as of late, 0.00025. Don't think that you're going to get rich off of this airdrop, but any airdrop is better than nothing. So if we come down here and input the total amount of Silencio tokens that I have received, which was 533,957 tokens, basically, I'm getting at the current price of $136. I'm going to show you next how you can actually withdraw your tokens to MexC and convert it into USDC or any other crypto you like. Now, if we want to withdraw it, we're simply going to go ahead and log into our desired platform, which mine is going to be MexC SLC token right here. All we want to do is click on deposit. We're going to be depositing crypto, so go ahead and click on that. Select the type of crypto we're going to be depositing. Come up here, search for SLC tokens, which is Silencio. Keep in mind that SLC is on Peaq Network, so network is correct, Peaq Network. We're going to copy our address, go to our phone and send it to this address. In our Silencio app, we're simply going to click on send. We're going to paste that address right here and right here. That's the same address. We're simply going to click on done, continue. Please confirm. Please ensure that you transfer token only to a wallet that supports ERC20 on Peaq Network, which we know that it is. I'm going to click on confirm. Now, if I click on max, we can see I can only withdraw 266,000. I'm going to click on continue. Network fee is going to be 10 SLC tokens. So simply go ahead down at the bottom, slide to the right. Once we slide to the right, please activate 2FA. Setting 2FA is simple. You can either do it through an app or through an email. 6743 is the code. Once we input that, now if we go into our MexC account, once we get it, once those transactions confirm, we're going to come to our spot account. It's going to be down here. We're simply clicking on trade. And for this instance, I'm going to be trading it into USDT. Now, for you, you can trade it to whichever crypto you would like. Basically, you will come down here and you're going to click on market if you want to sell it right away. And here you're going to input the amount you want to sell and click on sell. That is how easy it is to claim your Silencio airdrop. From this point on, you can still collect your Silencio tokens. You can still do your measurements and accumulate as many of these tokens as you like. We do not know how much these rewards are going to be worth in the future, but right now, $137 is not bad. Keep in mind, this is time sensitive. You only have 72 hours to claim your tokens. By the time this video comes out, you're basically going to have only 48 hours. Hope you found this video helpful. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.